Welcome to PocketWise, your smart guide to finance, AI, and money-making in 2025. Today, we're diving into how you can use artificial intelligence to earn money online. If you're serious about growing your income, stick around because I'll show you step-by-step strategies that actually work. Imagine this. Instead of working longer hours, AI helps you automate tasks, find new income streams, and even invest smarter. Sounds like the future? Well, the future is already here. AI writing tools create blogs, ebooks, and content for clients. AI design tools sell logos, thumbnails, and digital art. AI video tools create explainer videos, ads, or YouTube content for others. Real-world example. Freelancers on Fiverr are already earning thousands using AI tools. AI-powered investing apps, robo-advisors, auto-trading. AI chatbots for businesses, customer support automation. AI affiliate marketing, automated product promotion. Case study. Someone using AI to manage investments while traveling. E-commerce with AI. Product recommendations, ad optimization, AI for digital marketing, smarter campaigns, data-driven decisions, online courses, teaching others how to use AI for money-making. The smartest entrepreneurs are building businesses around AI instead of ignoring it. AI plus blockchain finance, AI voice agents making sales calls, AI personal finance assistants for budgeting. If you start learning AI now, you'll be ahead of 90% of people in the next 5 years. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's your ticket to smarter money making. Which strategy will you try first? Comment below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who want to grow their income. This is PocketWise, helping you work smarter, not harder. See you in the next video.